Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to lock Instagram profile, and now let's dive right in. Now to lock Instagram profile, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of your screen you can see a profile picture icon in a small circle at the bottom right. Tap on it, and on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen you can see your three line icons. Tap on that three line icon, and over here guys, you'll be required to scroll down until you can see the account privacy. Tap on account privacy, and over here guys you can see where it says the private account. At the right side of that option there is a toggle icon for us. Tap on that toggle icon guys, and your Instagram, and you will have locked your Instagram account by turning the private account on. And guys, this is how to lock your Instagram profile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.